Hello everyone, welcome back. I have some exciting updates with the game. I now have a full inventory system, a new weapon type, a new character, and some ammo icons. So now with the inventory, when you pick up a new weapon, instead of just swapping it automatically with the current weapon that you have, it now goes to an inventory that you can see at the bottom right of the screen, and you can swap weapons from there using the number keys 1, 2, and 3. And once the inventory is full and you pick up a new weapon, then you swap with the current weapon that you have. And I have a little bit of an animation. The inventory slot that the currently equipped weapon is in just pops up a little bit, just to show that that weapon is currently equipped. The inventory is basically an array of weapon pointers in the shooter character class, in the shooter character class. And then I have a widget blueprint of the inventory that you see at the bottom right of the screen. And that widget blueprint actually has a certain slots, and each slot has its own widget blueprint. And each of those slots correspond to the index in the array that I mentioned. With the blueprints for each slot, I can bind the ammo count, the icon of the gun, and so on. So when we swap a new weapon, the ammo count and the ammo icon and the weapon icon just gets updated automatically. So the new character. Throughout this game, I've been using characters from the Paragon assets. So Paragon is a game released by Epic Games, I think like more than like 5 years ago, I think. But they decided to release all the assets that they made for that game for free for us to use in Unreal Engine. And those are like very high quality assets, like AAA quality assets. They spent millions of dollars producing those assets, and now I can just use it for free. So I've been using Paragon assets. I started with the first character, but that character had a problem with his arm because his gun was attached to his hand basically, and his hand had some extra bones, so it was kind of hard for me to attach extra weapons. Then I swapped it with the second character that I was using, and that was just an intermediate character because I don't really think that the style of that character really fits in the game. But now I have finally decided on this third character, and I think he fits very well because I also decided that the theme is going to be more of a sci-fi related theme. I think I'm happy with that character. Yeah, I think I'll stick with this one. And the new weapon. So the new weapon type is rifle. Previously, the first weapon that I started implementing the firing logic was the shotgun, and it was also the weapon for the first character, the first Paragon character that I was using. But that weapon, as you can see, is like quite big, and my idea is that that weapon will be kind of a slow weapon, but it will like blast a lot of enemies at the same time. It will be very powerful but very slow. Now the second type is rifle, which is going to be fast. Now when you equip the rifle, you can move faster. And you can fire faster, you can fire automatically. The mesh of the rifle, I got it from the Unreal Marketplace. And for the rifle, I implemented an entirely new set of animations because the animations that I had for the shotgun was way different than the animations that I wanted for the rifle. It would be very hard for me to readjust the animations for shotgun because shotgun is like this huge gun, and then the whole arm is different. With rifle, you hold it like this. So I got entirely new set of animations. I redid the animation blueprint so that it can hold both the rifle and the shotgun, and I can switch between those animations the way I want to. But I'm quite happy with that, and I think I have a system now that if I want to add a new weapon type, it would be relatively easy for me to implement new animations for that weapon type. And finally, I added some new ammo icons. Now we have an ammo for the rifle, it's an ammo box, and we have a new smaller ammo clips, I would say, for the shotgun that will have less ammo in the game compared to the bigger boxes. And That's all for now. If you'd like to join me on this journey of developing this game, please subscribe, and I'll keep posting for the entirety of this development process. Thanks for watching.